Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today, I want us to look at our charts. We'll start with the chart on my screen. We'll start with this one. This is gold. This is NZD-USD. On this chart, basically, from the indicators we are having, this is what we are looking at. So we have a very good support level here. It was a support previously. We had a support here. So we had a support somewhere here. We had a support somewhere here. The price broke below this level. It came back to the same point. It went down. It came back to the same point. It went down and then it came back and touched the same place. So as it is now, we do expect price to continue to the low side. We expect sellers to continue pushing price to the low side. So ultimately, as I was saying, ultimately we do expect price to extend much lower. We are looking forward for the price to continue pushing itself to the lower side. So the price will likely get down at this level here, the level we have at this price, this one here. We have at 0.5955 is the first target, and the next target is this one, 0.5410. The next symbol is Euro USD. Euro USD, so far this chart should be headed to the lower side. We do expect sellers to take a bit of control. The first level we have is this one. We have a very good level there. We have another level. We have another level at this price. And we have a very good trend line like this. So look at what's happening here. You can see that this chart actually had a bullish, a resistance here. We had a resistance here. We had a resistance here. And we had a resistance here. So as long as the price is held above this trend line, we expect buyers to push price to the side. We expect buyers to push price to the upper side. So we do expect possible buy position from when the price touches this level here, with the first take profit, the next take profit, and then the next take profit is this one. Then the last one is the one we have at the very top. So these are the levels where we expect price to go up to. If the price can come back up to any of these levels, if it touches this level, it does not break beyond it, this will be a good sell. But if it breaks above it, then we expect it to continue up to this point here. The next target, and then the last one is the one we have at the very top. The next symbol is a GBP USD. So with the GBP USD so far as it is now, we have a similar trend line. We have this one here. We also have another here. So with this, we do expect price to continue to the upper side. We do expect buyers to push price to the upper side. So basically, we'd like to see price bounce off of this level, extend to the upper side, to touch this level, probably break above it, retrace back before continuing to the upper side. So this here will be the correct place to look for a buy from. If the price goes and touches this level, this will be a good place to sell from. Next target is this one, and then the next target is this one. These are the only three levels which we expect price to go up to. So we have the first one here, the next one there, the next one there, and on the lower side, if the price breaks below this trend line, the one we have here, then we expect sellers to push price to the lower side, at least up to the line we have, the lines that we have at the very bottom. So I hope that makes some sense. The next symbol which we'll look at is the US dollar Japanese yen. So this chart, it looks like it's headed to the upper side, but if you check closely, you can see that this is actually a very good resistance level. So this may be a turnaround point where the price is now. You can see it was used, this was the previous month, it was used as a very good resistance level. As we're speaking now, the price is around the same place. So this here will act as a good place to look for a sell from. This will act as the best place we want to look for a sell from. We are expecting that sell to push price down with the first target there. Then the next one is along this trend line here, the one we have now. The next symbol. So if you have any questions, kindly feel free to post them for me on the chat option. It should be at the right hand side of your screen so that I'm able to respond to them as fast as possible. The next symbol is gold. So gold as it is. Remember what I mentioned yesterday? We were actually looking for a buy on gold. We had our trend line here. Then I mentioned that the price should continue up and touch this level before it bounces off from it. So that has not happened just yet. The price has not broken as we expected. So if the price can move up and touch this level, then this will act as the best place to look for a sell from. So we still wait to see what happens. If the price goes up and touches this level here, then this will give us the ideal place to look for a sell from. The next symbol is the Brent oil. Brent oil, we do expect buyers to take full control because we have a support here. We have a support here. Then we have a support here. We have like a very good support here, very good support, very good level there, very good level there. Despite the fact that the previous day's candle is actually a bearish pin bar, we still do expect price to continue to the upside, especially if it does not close below 90.076 or if it does not go below 88.386. So these are the places where if the price goes below, then the next stop is somewhere around this level here. My last symbol for today is the SP500. The SP500, so far this chart is headed to the upper side. If you check the indicator which I'm having on my screen, you can see that all signals are basically just bullish. But the price has been heading to the upper side, extremely to the upper side, which means we do expect buyers to take a bit of control. So this is a very good support level, where it's a very good resistance level, although we don't expect price to sell off from here. So this may be some place where the price may stagnate from before eventually breaking beyond it, and ultimately it should go break beyond 4803.7. So ultimately we do expect price to extend up to this point. If it breaks above it, then we do expect it to continue even higher. So that should bring us to the end of today's analysis. If you have any questions, then you should just post them. On the right hand side of your screen, there is the option for sending chat messages. So thank you very much. See you again next week.